This is a Canon G3010 printer, and this printer problem is, you can see both LED is blinking. Okay, yellow LED and power LED. Okay, how to solve this problem? I will show this. At first, you press the power button and turn off the power, and it will take some time. After pressing the power button, and you just press the stop button for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release that. Okay. And it's preparing to ready. It will take some time. And after that, you just press the 5 times or stop button and press the 1 time for power button. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again power button. Let's see what. And after that, you just turn off the printer and turn on. Let's see what happened. And it's processing. This is okay. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. I'm giving the test page.